Rising above the skyline of Prague, within the fortified embrace of Prague Castle, stands a cathedral like no other, St. Vitus Cathedral, a crown of Gothic stone and sacred legacy. Begun in 1344 under King Charles IV, and only completed centuries later in 1929, this cathedral tells a story carved not just in time, but in faith. Look at the soaring spires, stretching like prayers into the sky. The intricate rose window, a wheel of divine light frozen in glass. The flying buttresses, architectural wings that balance strength and grace. And there, tucked among shadows, gargoyles, grotesque guardians, keeping watch for nearly 700 years. This is not just a cathedral. It is a witness to coronations, saints, kings, and the hopes of a nation. Outside its doors, history breathes in every stone. This is St. Vitus Cathedral,